when I used the product, I was just smelling like fresh baked cake. Like I was smelling so good. And I was looking so soft, so fresh, like today's bread now. Hi guys, hi, how are you guys doing? I hope you're good, I hope you're fine, and I hope you are fantastic. Today is a special day as usual, and I bring you special news, good news. You know me now, I'm always bringing good news to you. Today I am here to tell you the secret to solving that skin problems that you have. Yes guys, I mean business today. In fact, let me take away this glasses so this will not distract you. Yes guys, today is a good day as always. And see, let me tell you what had happened before I arrived at this destination of getting the secrets behind skin problems. So guys, let us take it back a bit. I like to throw it back. So let's throw it back a bit. Once upon a time, I had bad skin. I was going through a lot of stress. I had a lot of workload on my head. So my skin was just really bad. I was having eczema on my body. I had hyperpigmentation on my face, redness on my face. I also had white patches on my leg. Guys, my skin was not glowing. I was not feeling myself at all. Like, it was just bad. And then worst case scenario, I started to buy creams from different brands, from Instagram, from market. This person will say, try this one, it will clear it away. Use this one, use that one, use this one. So I started to buy different skincare products just to solve these problems. Guys, it only worsened it. See, it worsened it to the 100%. Like, it left nothing. It worsened it, guys. Instead of the redness to disappear, it came out more. Instead of the eczema to disappear, it's a lie. In fact, I was just tired. This person will tell me it's organic, 100% organic. Organic product nourishes the skin. It will give you your natural glow, blah, blah, blah. Like, I'll buy it. Guys, it's a lie. It is filled with 100% chemicals. You might use it like this and it might be working for you and you might be feeling, oh, my skin is beautiful, is good, is this. Just give it 2 weeks. After 2 weeks or more, man, your skin will go back to square one. In fact, it will go back to less than square one because it will be worse. Guys, I've gone through a lot in the hands of all these skincare vendors. Like, I don't tire. So I just decided that, I don't tire for all these things. I'm not going to buy anything again. Let me just be. So, and then I had to top it up with prayers because I like to pray on anything. Any little thing like this, I pray sincerely. So I started to pray on my skin that God take control of my skin. What's going on? My skin is not like this. I know the way I am. What is going on? God help me. Send me a miracle cream. Let the miracle cream be coming like this from heaven like this, and let me be seeing the cream like this. So I was just praying and all of that. Then on a particular fateful day, I was going through my WhatsApp status. And then I saw a friend of mine, she posted 2 pictures before and after, before she used a skincare product and then after she used that particular skincare product. And I saw the big difference. I saw the transformation and I was wowed. I was wowed. So I then messaged, I said, babe, please, what's up? How you doing? What thing are you using? Tell me, and then I was praying in my mind that, God, please let this babe answer me, because a lot of people don't like sharing their secrets like that, especially ladies. They don't like to, if they are beautiful, they will not want to share their beauty tips. But me, I share everything shareable, because what is there to odd? The beauty belongs to God. So in my mind, I was just praying like that. And then I messaged her, and luckily for me, by the grace of God, she told me the brand she was using. She told me it was Lustrous Botanicals. I said, are you sure it's 100% organic? She said, yes, sure. And all of that. I said, are you sure? She said, yes. And I went on Instagram. I checked up on the brand. It's a growing brand, it's a growing brand. I was like, okay, cool. Then I started to check, and what I discovered about the brand is that their products, they usually post ingredients, the ingredients that they use to make their product. They usually post it, and it's even on the body of the product. For instance, I bought the body milk. Let me show you. This, I bought this one, and at the back of it there are ingredients written at the back of this, the ingredients that is used to make this product. And I said, okay, this is cool. I researched on the ingredients. They were good ingredients that make the skin glow, that treats skin problems. Example, collagen is here, glutathione. Do you know, there are things that help the skin. I was like, okay, this is good. So I ordered for 3 major products. I ordered for the body milk, and then I ordered for the knuckle kit and this one. I had to order for knuckle kit because the previous creams I was using, it don't burn my knuckle. It burn them. It don't turn them to roasted plantain bolly. And then my face that was having a lot of hyperpigmentation and all of that. So that's why I just bought those 3 major products. Then I've started using it, and guys, I'm seeing a big difference. Guys, don't look at me now. Take a look at me. Like, look at this picture where I have no makeup on my face. Like, everything just changed. I was like, yes, this is what I'm saying. I don't want to be white. I'm not saying that I want to be white or I want to bleach my skin. I just want to maintain my natural skin color. Do you get? So when I started using this lustrous product, in fact, guys, I got wonders. My skin, my natural skin is coming out. This product, this is the body milk. This is for the whole body. And then the ingredients that are here are very good. This is for my skin color. So if you're a caramel person, you're a caramel skin person, or you're chocolate, she has products for them. She can make some for you specially, Seth. So, and she has products for babies. This is like a free advert. But I like to share secrets about things that I use that worked for me, because I believe it can also be an help to somebody out there, especially my subscribers that are good to me, like that are my friends. So that's the reason why I'm sharing these secrets to you guys. Then the knuckle kit too, I started applying and I'm seeing improvements on it. Then the face cream, I'm really happy about this, although it does not have any seal on it. There's no nylon on it wrapped or anything written on the body. But then I used it. When I smelled it, it smelled really nice, and it seems turmeric is a part of the ingredient that she used here. Turmeric is very good. And by the way, all these products make you to smell. You'll be smelling nice, guys. I've not even used the product. They already smell good. When I now use the product, when I use the product, I was just smelling like fresh baked cake. Like, I was smelling so good, and I was looking so soft, so fresh, like today's bread now, you know. So guys, I implore you to try this out. Lustrous Botanicals, it's a good one, although they are a growing brand, but they are trusted. Trust me, guys, they are trusted. There are a lot of organic products that they don't work. If you're looking for something that will bleaching you or make you white unnecessarily, see, this brand is not for you. It is not. This brand doesn't deal with chemicals. It deals with what helps and enhances your skin. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe. I hope you click on the like button as well. See you on my next video. Bye for now.